Hold on. I got so much money when I leave these bitches follow. Falling off. Alright, what's good, gang? What's good, gangsters? What's good, man? Let me clear my chart. Caught a insane A plus setup today on Nasdaq. Literally picture perfect market maker sell model. Exactly what I wanted to see. Um, and yeah, let's just break it down. Let me delete my chart, go through, show you guys why I entered. So boom, market opened at 9:30. Let's go to 9:30 open on the chart. This is 9:30 open. So right before market open, this is what I was looking at. Right? What's the first thing I'm doing? Marking out high time frame draws and liquidity. There were three, right? We have a 4-hour high here, we have a 1-hour high here, and we have a 1-hour low down here, right? These are my draws on liquidity for the range we're trading in, right? So what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for a sweep. I'm waiting for one of these to get taken out. We could see market opened and boom, we swept out both of them. We swept out a 4-hour high and a 1-hour high. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for downside. This is a beautiful trade to me because we had relative equal 15-minute lows, which is also an hourly low. So we have an hourly low, relative 15 and 5-minute lows. I knew this was going to be the draw on liquidity. Um, Relative lows or equal lows are like a magnet for price. It's double the liquidity. So those are always going to want to be ran through and taken out because it's double the liquidity. So let's get into why I took this trade and what I entered off of. So first thing I look for is always a liquidity sweep. We swept out both of our high time frame highs. So then I'm scaling immediately to my 5-minute, and I'm looking for either a 5-minute break of structure or a 5-minute inverse. And we had a 5-minute fair value gap right here. Fix that up a little bit. Right there, boom. 5-minute fair value gap. And we could see it was being respected once, twice, three, four, 5 times, right? So I'm not going to enter short until I have my confirmation, until that fair value gap is ran through. So what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for it to get ran through. Boom. Shit got ran through, right? Shit got ran through. Let me go back real quick. So second it got ran through right here, I'm waiting for a little pullback, and boom, we got our little pullback on this candle right here. Let me see. Yeah, that was my entry right here. Right here. This little pullback. Second we inversed, we got a pullback, and I'm going short right here. Okay, let's talk about stop losses and let's talk about take profits. Okay, so obviously my main take profit was this hourly low right here. That was my main take profit. I was trimming contracts along the way, and I'll show you exactly where I was trimming at. I had 3 take profits. My main one was these relative equal 15-minute lows, hourly lows. My second one was this 5-minute swing low, and my third one was this swing low right here. So, boom, I entered. It looks kind of choppy, but this really was a clean trade, and I had so much confidence in this trade. I took it live with my Discord, and I was breaking it down for them mid-trade the whole way. And yeah, let me show you guys everything. So these are my take profits, obviously lows because draws on liquidity, aka lows or highs, is where the market will want to reverse. So obviously, if I'm in short and at lows we can reverse to the upside, I want to trim my money at lows, right? Just in case we reverse. So 1, 2, 3 take profits, and my stop loss was, we have a 3-minute fair value gap. So I'm going to delete this 5-minute. We understand that we inverse the 5-minute, right? We have a 3-minute right here. Okay, we have a 3-minute, and my stop loss was above the 3-minute. Now, Dylan, you may be asking, Dylan, you got stopped out, my boy. What the fuck you talking about? Hear me out, man. Hear me out. I do not use a physical stop loss. Okay, I use a mental stop loss because of case scenarios like this, right? We have a 3-minute fair value gap here. And at this point in time, when this high was being created, I almost did stop out. I almost did. We were running through this 3-minute, but I didn't. I didn't. And I was, obviously, that was just a subconscious thought. But I was telling my Discord, guys, Within those 3 minutes of this candle being created, we can easily flip black and respect this 3 minute, and the trade idea is still valid. So while we were up here, I was telling my Discord members, do not stop out. Obviously, if you're in heavy drawdown and you really don't feel comfortable, do you, right? But I told them I'm not stopping out of this trade. I had full conviction in this trade because not only was, let me delete this line, make it less confusing, right? That's our liquidity sweep right there, right? Not only was this 3 minute being respected, but we had created an internal turtle soup, right? On the low time frame, we had a high right here, and all we did was sweep it out, still respecting bearish confluences. We swept at a high, and then we broke structure to the downside. Okay, I'm still in it. Boom, we pulled back again, created a high, and then we're still coming out of this 3 minute. I told my Discord, guys, I am not stopping out unless we get candle closure above the 3 minute. Unless we get that confirmation. Okay? We did not get that candle closure. I did not stop out. Yes, it was close to my stop loss, but I'm willing to risk a couple extra points, a couple extra dollars of loss for confirmation because there has been so many times I enter a trade, it hits my stop loss right above a fair value gap, and then I stop out, and the candle ends up reversing. We respect the fair value gap, and my trade idea was valid the whole time, and I just lost money. So I was not gonna do that today because I was so confident. Yeah, I basically wanted. Only way I was stopping out is if we got 3 minute candle closure above this fair value gap, and we could see that none of that happened. When we came up again, what did we do? Another turtle soup, right? Another high, swept out. Created this high, swept out, break of structure. Came up, created this high, swept out, another break of structure underneath this low. So I was very confident this whole trade. There was no doubt in my mind that we weren't going to take out these lows. And look what happened. We took out these lows and immediately reversed back to the upside. So this happens on every time frame. This stuff happens. It's clockwork, guys. It's clockwork. High time frame liquidity sweep, 5 minute inverse pullback, enter. A couple other confluences like the EMAs you could use as a cherry on top. But this was just a beautiful market maker sell model. And yeah, very confident. Took it with my Discord. If you want to join my Discord, man, it's in my Instagram link at Dylan.options. And yeah, man, beautiful fucking trade. Everything played out exactly how I expected it to. I ate, my whole Discord ate. We all made money. We all learned something new. We're all getting better at the strategy. Man, yeah, man, WS trade. I'm gonna see y'all boys in the next trade recap.